Imagine cruising down the highway with the added security of knowing every detail behind you is being captured, just like your front-facing view. What if you could get that peace of mind with minimal setup and seamless integration? Enter the Nextbase Dashcam add-on Rear View Exterior Camera. Let's break it down and see if this product really lives up to its claims. Welcome to Autovated, where we dive deep into auto tech so you don't have to. Today, we're reviewing the Nextbase Dashcam add-on Rear View Exterior Camera, designed to provide enhanced rear coverage when paired with compatible Nextbase models like the 322GBW, 422GBW, 522GBW, and 622GBW. Let's see what's on offer. The Nextbase Rear View Camera features a 30-degree telephoto lens designed to capture the road behind you in great detail. Paired with a Nextbase front-facing dashcam, it automatically adjusts the front camera's resolution to handle two high-quality video files simultaneously. The camera clicks into place on the side of the compatible dashcams for easy installation. So, it's all about added clarity and convenience while driving. What really stands out about this product is its simplicity. It's made for users who don't want to complicate their setup, but still want that extra layer of security on the road. The ability to capture clearer, more detailed footage from behind could be a real game changer for those who spend a lot of time on the road, or for drivers who want that extra safety net when reversing or parking. Pros. The major benefit of the Nextbase Rear View Camera is its seamless integration with compatible Nextbase models. Its ability to automatically adjust video resolution ensures that the footage from both front and rear cameras is crisp and smooth, without overwhelming your storage. The installation is a breeze. Simply click it into the side of your existing Nextbase dashcam. Plus, it provides excellent image quality, especially for those who rely on telephoto lenses for capturing finer details behind them. Cons. While the simplicity is a plus, the narrow 30-degree lens may not cover as much of the rear view as a wider-angle camera. If you're used to dash cams with a broader rear view perspective, this could feel a bit restrictive. Also, the add-on is only compatible with specific Nextbase models, so it's not a universal option for all dash cams out there. Value for money. The Nextbase Rear View Camera is an excellent add-on if you already own a compatible Nextbase dashcam, as it enhances your system's overall functionality. The price is reasonable for what it offers, especially considering the high-quality footage and easy installation. If you're looking for a full, seamless dashcam experience, this is a solid investment. When compared to other rear-view dashcam add-ons, this one stands out for its user-friendliness and tight integration with Nextbase's system. Some competitors might offer wider lenses or more customizable features, but they can be more complex to set up or less optimized for specific models. If this review is putting you in the driver's seat when it comes to making your decision, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more car tech breakdowns. The build quality is solid. This rear camera feels well constructed, and it's clear Nextbase took time to design a product that's durable and will hold up in real-world use. There's no long-term data yet to discuss, but based on Nextbase's reputation for reliable products, it's reasonable to expect this camera will be a long-lasting addition to your dashcam setup. As for customer support, Nextbase has a good reputation for responding quickly and resolving issues. They're known for their straightforward approach, but keep in mind, this rear-view camera will only work with specific Nextbase models. So, if you're not yet invested in the Nextbase ecosystem, you may want to consider other options. This product is ideal for drivers who prioritize added safety and visibility behind them, especially daily commuters and those who spend significant time on the road. However, if you're looking for a performance-driven dashcam setup with broader rear coverage or more customizable options, you might want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, the Nextbase Dashcam add-on Rear View Exterior Camera is a strong choice if you're already using a compatible Nextbase dashcam and need that added peace of mind while driving. The simplicity of the setup and automatic resolution adjustment make it a top contender in its category. Strong option if you're after easy-to-use, high-quality rear coverage for your Nextbase dashcam. This is one of the best options available. If this breakdown has helped you see things clearer, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. If you've already tried it, share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps others. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep driving safely and stay automated.